very excited to have a guest here today with us from Sisense, Sangram Dash. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for the invite and glad to be here.
Yeah, maybe a little bit about yourself and your company and what you do.
Absolutely. Yeah, my name is Sangram Dash. I'm a CISO as well as VP of IT at Sisense. Okay. Where we are today is we are API first analytics platform as services product. And think about us like powered by Sisense, like powered by PayPal or Visa, right? So we stay within the application. We are very much embedded analytics play. And of course, API is what drives the success of that.
What was it, or what were you doing regarding API security? You had mentioned AI security, API security.
API is the endpoint where attacks are happening, right? Yeah. And how do you stay on top of it? And that's the game. That's what we are after. We're going to make sure that our customers trust us because we are able to protect those endpoints.
So let me go back just a little bit. So what were you using before you started looking at Salt, or before you started going down the road of thinking what could Salt do? What were you doing?
We had some internal telemetry in place. It was some tooling which was in place, which was obviously not giving the level of insights we wanted. And obviously Salt was the choice.
Like, what was the point where you said, I need to go do something like now?
I had to make certain decisions in terms of what we really need to protect Sisense, or a platform like ours, which is being trusted by thousands of customers in your tech stack.
So were you looking at it like strategically saying, where's the risk in our business? And this is clearly a risk. Since you're an API first company, you need to make sure those APIs are protected.
And at scale, right? I think the question here is, you can do things internally. You can develop tools, you can do certain things in place, but to do it at scale, at economy, at the end of the day, you are spending X dollar. How do we do that? So I think there's a build versus buy conversation happens.
For sure.
But in this scenario, we decided to buy because of multiple reasons, but very simple one is the technology which Salt has developed over a period of time.
Did you look at other possible solutions?
Yes, we do. And we always scan the market. But the way I think about product differentiation is, so if you just go deep into the technology and see how do you protect, you got to go to the basics, which is, do I have enough data to provide that protection? And then how am I doing it, right? And that's where I think platforms like Salt come into play.